Most brands, they spend a lot of time creating great content for Instagram, but very few brands actually bring that content onto their web shop. I want to show you a simple way that some brands are changing all of that. So here's a video from Convera Skincare on Instagram. As you can see, it's a pretty typical skincare video showing how the product is used. Now, let me show you something interesting. Instead of only living on Instagram, the exact same video can live directly on the website, web shop, whatever you want to call it, and become fully shoppable. So customers can watch the routine, see the product in action, and buy it right away. So let's look at another example. Here you go. Here's one from the fashion brand Shop London. It's on Instagram and it's a cool styling video up here. But now watch what happens when that same video content moves on to the web shop. Here, we got it right here. Suddenly, the video helps customers see how the clothes move, how they fit, and discover the products directly in the video, because you can just go through them like this. So it's a pretty simple idea, right? You take the content you're already creating for social media and you let it work where people actually buy, which is on your web shop. That's essentially what we call Sprii Shoppables. If you'd like to see how it works, then you can learn more via the link below. Thanks for watching.